Hello and welcome to this video on how to calculate the engulfing pattern in Excel. In this video I will show you step by step how easy it is to calculate an engulfing pattern. In this video we will look at both bullish engulfing patterns and bearish engulfing patterns. And if you want to know how effective engulfing patterns are, there is a link on the screen to another video that I have recorded for more information. To calculate the engulfing pattern, we're going to start with our equals, if, and statement. And the first thing I want to be sure of is that our first candle is green, and then that our second candle is red. So what that means is our first candle, the close, is greater than the open, and our second candle, the close, is lower than the open. The next thing we need to ensure is that the entire candle fits within the body of the second candle. So the way we do this is to make sure that the high point of the first candle is lower than the open of the second candle, and that the low point of the first candle is greater than the close of the second candle. Close the bracket. If this is met, we type the text bearish engulfing, and if not, we do nothing. I'm going to do exactly the same but the opposite for the bullish engulfing. Equals if and in this case we want our initial candle, the close, to be lower than the open, and our second candle, the close, to be greater than the open. Now we want our high point here to be lower than the close of the second candle, and here we want our low point to be greater than the open of the second candle. If all these conditions are met, we put bullish engulfing, and otherwise we do nothing. We highlight both of these cells, we double click here, and we can see that every time an engulfing pattern is hit, we get a signal. If you haven't already seen it, in the first video in this series I looked at the harami pattern, and there is a link on the screen for more information about that. And in the next video in this series I will be looking at hammer patterns and shooting star patterns. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you want more content like this, please hit the subscribe button. Also don't forget to like the video. Comment below if you want me to do any other type of candlestick patterns. And for more information about trading the financial market, please go to www.tradeinformed.com.